Bag.
Yeah, but none of me.
Matapos ang isang araw na pagcamping sa isla ng Minaanod, kailangan na natin umalis para sa ating susunod na lugar. Kardag.
Dagko.
Kaya? So ngayon guys, maghaharap tayo ng ating masasakyan.
Tamban!
Tamban daw. Ang plano natin guys ay mani-hitchhike tayo. Sana meron sa ating pumansin. Putik na kakahiya. Sana meron pumasakay sa atin. Alas 8:31 ng umaga at yeah, kinakabahan ako. Kuya, pwede mo kasakay? Sige. Ay, salamat. Okay lang kuya. May tanong malabay.
May mga truck na
Nakasakay?
nakakatagi o nakakapa din para sa ako.
Dahil nyo rin tayo. Nakakaraid ko. Salamat kaya. Fried small fish. Hanap tayo ng spot na gusto natin para tayo kasakay ulit. Diyan tayo sa may malilim na lugar. tanong, saan ba yung terminal dito papuntang Kalikuan?
Terminal doon, tas sakay.
Diretso lang. Salamat. Diretso tapos dito. Saan na ba yun? Dito ba? Ah. Saan ba kuya terminal papuntang Kalikuan?
Kalikuan dito. Kalikuan.
General? Ano ka mo, diba? Oo, pati na
Huli ka na? Ha? Barat bag. Masih kada mo nila. 50, 100. Ada di sini.
So yeah guys, nandito na tayo sa ating pag-i-stayhan. Good afternoon sir. Yeah, it's okay Petty, ka-video. I'm doing a travel vlog.
But not of me.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'll get this show. I'm kidding. I'll show you around anyway. This is your room here.
Oh yeah, nice.
So I'll show you where your bathroom is. I'm just cleaning it actually. So
Yeah, it's okay.
it'll be, so this is nearly clean anyway. Maybe talking about. So that's the bathroom.
Nice.
Then we have a few other accommodations. We don't have that many. This is our main one. Yeah. The people love it. It's not really set up right now, but that's okay. I'm going to set it up this afternoon.
Yeah.
because We often get guests late afternoon. This is the main one. So this is like it's a house. So it's got a full kitchen.
Yeah.
Obviously it's got a billiard table, TV, aircon. And then upstairs there's four.
Can I go upstairs?
Yeah, go have a look. Put that up. And you get the idea.
Yeah.
So that sofa folds out. And then also there's usually people request an extra mattress. So we've got in this room bedding for 9, but we did have like, how many people? Maybe we've had 20 people. But after 7 we charge 300 a head,
Yeah.
mainly because of water. And then there's that one there. I don't have the key with me, I'll show you later.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it goes all the way, the property goes all the way to the ocean.
Yeah.
The ocean's about 200 metres that way. Yeah, about 200 metres that way. And then you'll see, I don't know if you can see, but there's a passenger bus there. And you see the passenger bus. So you charge your stuff, I'm just going to mop the floor in here.
Yeah.